Ever drop your phone or keys into that annoying gap between your car seat and the console? That tiny space can turn into a daily frustration: lost items, messy interiors, and constant distraction while driving. Today, I'm breaking down 3 car seat gap organizers, ranked from a simple budget fix to a premium tech upgrade, so you can choose what actually fits your driving style. Let's start with the most affordable option, at number 3. Starting off our list with the budget pick, we have this car seat gap filler strip. If you're tired of your phone, keys, or small items falling into that annoying gap between your seat and the center console, this simple accessory is designed to stop that problem on both the left and right side. The design is straightforward and flexible. You get 2 matching filler strips, one for the driver's side and one for the passenger side, creating a clean, balanced look. Each strip fits snugly alongside the seat and leaves space around the seatbelt area for normal use. In everyday driving, this is all about convenience. It blocks the gaps completely. Moving up to our value pick, we have this leather-style seat gap organizer. Unlike the previous option that simply filled the gap, this one adds usable storage while keeping your interior looking more refined. Visually, it stands out with a stitched leather-style finish that blends nicely with most car interiors. The design includes a main storage compartment for items like your phone or wallet, along with a dedicated front cup holder. There's also a clean cutout at the bottom, allowing a charging cable to pass through without bending or clutch. This is ideal for drivers who want both organization and convenience. It prevents items from dropping into the seat gap, while giving you extra storage and an additional place to keep a drink within easy reach. Because it adds some width, it may feel slightly snug in smaller cars, so fit is worth checking. But for everyday use, it delivers solid value. You can check current options through the link in the description. Finally, at number 1, we have our premium pick, the LED car seat gap organizer with built-in charging. This model takes basic seat gap storage and adds a layer of tech-focused convenience. Visually, the standout feature is the integrated ambient LED light strip that outlines the unit, giving your interior a more modern, upscale look. On the front, it includes built-in charging ports, allowing you to power multiple devices directly from the organizer. Inside, the storage area is divided into sections, helping keep your phone, cards, and small essentials neatly separated. This setup is ideal for nighttime driving and daily commutes. The lighting makes it easier to locate items in low light, while the built-in charging keeps your devices powered without reaching across the dashboard. It also blocks the seat gap, preventing items from falling out of reach. This unit does require a wired connection for power, so expect one cable running to your outlet. Still, for drivers who want added tech and a cleaner interior feel, it's a premium upgrade worth considering. Hopefully, this helped you find the right seat gap solution for your car, whether you want something simple, practical, or more premium. I've linked all 3 options in the description so you can check current pricing and details. If you enjoy clean, practical car gadget reviews,